Let's talk about Z-Wave. So we're starting with an AOTech Multi-Sensor 6, which for the purposes of GrandCare means sensing motion and also temperature. This particular sensor can be powered by either one or two 123A sized batteries. Once the batteries are installed, you can push the action button on the back of the unit and see that the green light flashes, indicating that you have power. In addition to the manual, this unit also comes with a USB cable because instead of batteries, you can power it directly through USB. It also comes with a mounting bracket and associated screws for mounting on the wall. Now let's pair our sensor to our antenna and our GrandCare. So it's very good practice that the first thing you do is you put the Z-stick in delete mode by pressing and holding the button in until you get the flashing light. And then you push the action button on the device. Now, this is just a good practice, and technically we don't need to do this for fresh out-of-the-box equipment, but when you start reusing things, it's a good idea to put them in delete mode and get rid of them. Now touch the button once more and it gets out of delete mode. Touch it another time and you get it into add mode. There, that's the way. And now, once again, you push the action button on the device. You have to be careful to push it firmly so that it registers. And then you can see the result is that it has a flashing light now too. The device has been added. You plug the Z-stick back into its port on the GrandCare. And at this point you may need to restart those drivers. Here's our tri-sensor from AOTech. On the inside, there's our sensor itself. There's the unit. You might think that this is the button that you have to push in order to do the pairing with your Z-stick, but it's not. That's actually nothing. You have to open up the back very carefully. And find the button on the inside. I also have this plastic insert here that we have to remove to make the battery active. And now there's that button on the inside. So let's press it now. And that's how you do that. The rest of the pairing process is the same as with the Multi-Sensor 6. Once you've done that and everything comes up green again, then you can go to the devices area. And now you can scan the Z-Wave network. That button wasn't there before, but now that we've done all of this, the Scan Z-Wave Network button will come up. And it takes a minute or two to fully scan Once it's done, you'll see the green check mark and know that your device has been added. And there you can see it listed there. And if you'd like to take a closer look, you can see exactly what this device is and all the details pertaining to it. And that is how you add a Z-Wave device to your Z-Stick and your GrandCare.